Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with Harry Fisher from Fire to Fork's Adventure Cooking Recipe Book. Jam-packed with recipes, got awesome information on your campfire kitchen, as well as being a nice paperback cover to go anywhere with you. So if you've been with us for any length of time, you know that I absolutely love campfire cooking. So I am stoked to have the Fire to Fork cookbook here in store. It is a really sturdy, hardy book. I love that it's got this soft cover here. You can throw it in your glove box, throw it in your camp kitchen, but it's also super beautiful to have even as a coffee table book. It is about 24 centimeters tall by about 17.5 centimeters long, and it's about 2 centimeters thick. We have got in the front here a beautiful content section. We've got tips and tricks, sides, quick meals, meat, chicken, seafood, and even a desserts and drink section. And at the back we've got our index here. So this is about 200 pages with over 60 recipes, and it's a really comprehensive cooking guide. We've got things like this steak and mushroom sauce. Gee whiz, look at that, that's absolutely beautiful. Now, we've not had this book for long, and what we have had is selling through like hotcakes. So if you love your fireside cooking just like me, get your hands on Harry Fisher's Fire to Fork at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.